בתוכנית שלנו אתמול, במסגרת המספר אחד ביום שבפתיחה אתם מכירים, הבאנו את הסיפור המדהים על משפחה אוסטרלית שמוכרת אי ואתר נופש פעיל במיקרונזיה, שכולל כל מה שנחלום רק עליו, והאי הזה גם רווחי. בחשבון בנק של האי הזה יש אפילו $10,000 כרגע. המשפחה, הבעלים, החליטו לחזור לאוסטרליה, ואז בא בן עם רעיון להגרלה בינלאומית. כל כרטיס $49 בלבד, כשיגיעו ל-50,000 רוכשי הגרלות, יגרילו את הזוכה. היום להפתעתנו קיבלנו מייל עם הוידאו הזה.
היי! תודה לילה כלכלי! היי!
כן, כן, המוכרים סיפרו לנו שמאות ישראלים פנו וגם רכשו מקום בהגרלה אחרי השידור אמש בלילה כלכלי, עד שהאתר המיקרונזי שלהם קרס זמנית. עכשיו קבלו את המקור, את המוכר, דאג בייטס.
Yeah, hi.
What happened yesterday after the broadcast? We broadcasted the story about your island.
For about a couple of minutes there, you actually crashed our website, I think. We were quite surprised by it, didn't know what was happening, and all of a sudden we were getting emails, people saying, we heard about your raffle and we can't, get on the website. And so just for a couple of minutes it went crazy, and then we've got a little way we can look, and we just couldn't believe how many people were suddenly on the website from Israel. And so we knew something was going on over there. It was like, wow, what's going on in Israel, It was amazing.
What exactly do you offer the winner?
Well, we're offering them 100% ownership of the corporation, which is Kosrae Nautilus Resort Incorporated. The resort owns 18 hotel rooms, 2 dive boats, the longest running scuba business on the island on Kosrae. We've got 3 acres of land there that's leased. We've got about 27 years to go on the lease. I think in March last year, the business became debt-free. If you go on the website, there's a spot there in the frequently asked questions where you can see the release form from the bank.
Can I ask you how many people applied to the raffle till now?
Well, you can ask, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you why. Because we've been misquoted in the media so many times about so many different things. Once we say something like that and it's live in the media, it goes crazy. All I can say is we set the goal at 50,000. We are well on the way to it. And we know that in the 3 months we've given ourselves to reach it, we're going to hit it. We have probably sold 250 tickets in Israel. Every day we're selling more and more and more. It's sort of a bit of an exponential curve.
I assure you that after tonight you will have many more Israelis.
This is awesome because it is a lottery, but the odds are incredibly better than a normal lottery that you go in and, win cash prize from.
Thank you very much, and we will be in touch next month once you will reveal the winner, the name.
Thank you very much. Great talking to you. Thanks to all the viewers. Bye-bye.